Praxair Surface Technologies manufactures TruForm metal powders for the additive manufacturing industry. We produce cobalt, copper, iron, nickel, and titanium powders. We have more than 40 products in stock at any given time. If we do not have your specified powder in stock, our true-to-spec process enables us to create custom metal powders that meet your exact specifications. Our TruForm Advanced team will work with you to determine the chemistry profile, particle sizing, and flowability measures. We then create custom alloys of any scale using high-quality aerospace-grade raw materials from around the world. One of our unique capabilities is that we have an in-house TruForm Center for AM advancement, where our team is continually innovating, researching, and developing new powder formulas, solutions, and properties to stay ahead of the game. We can create custom prototype powders and test them in one of our printers. At Praxair Surface Technologies, you are getting more than just metal powder. You are getting quality, customization, and expertise to help you make the future.